This right here is the quintessential summertime beach appetizer.
Loaded with amazingly fresh and vibrant flavors.
And it's just so festive and fun to serve to guests.
Every bite is a beach fiesta in your mouth.
It is, and if you've never had a beach fiesta in your mouth, you're about to. It's so this is awesome. So we're doing Mexico-style ceviche.
Yes. And we're using shrimp
We're
today.
going shrimp. You could do fish. You could do fresh
whitefish,
Do whitefish like halibut, mahi-mahi. The most important thing to remember is that you want to do fresh. The fresher, the better. Now, obviously, many of us, like us here in North Texas, are kind of like landlocked, and we're not real close to the ocean. But we have resources. I'll tell you, we like for those of us here in the States, Whole Foods has very good sustainable seafood. There's a
Central Market.
Wild Fork has emerged, and we've been going there a lot. They flash freeze their proteins at the peak of their freshness, and then they stay super fresh. And that's where we got these today, and they ship all over the place. So I'll have a link to that. But this is a pound of just good fresh shrimp that was frozen, but we thawed it. And all I did is in the sink, I just took these were already deveined, so and the heads removed. I just had to take the shells off. And now I'm just going to give it like a little bit of a cut them into thirds. You don't need to get the big giant jumbo shrimp. You've got...
Yes, I've got some lime juice. This is fresh lime juice. We want about 1.5 cups of it, maybe a little more. But but it's all fresh, so I've been sweating over here.
Yeah, he's really been working. So ceviche, in case you don't know, and this may make some folks kind of cringe, but you start off with raw fish, and you don't cook it in the traditional way of like steaming or grilling. You'll let this acid from that is going to cook the fish.
What is this witchcraft you're talking about?
It really is amazing, but that's why you do want to make sure you're getting quality fish. You smell it. If it has kind of a weird smell to it, you want to stay away from that. But it needs time to soak. Okay.
Yeah, and you know what? This smells so good. All right, we ready?
Yeah, we are. Now you could do this in say like a Tupperware, and you could just put a lid over it, or you could do, we could cover this with plastic. But we're a little adventurous, and we're just going to let this soak in there,
the
and we're going to let it go you want to let it go. You could do.
It's amazing. It's so mind-boggling to me.
Believe me, he hates anything fishy, and so I had to convince him. He was
y'all, little hot sauce. I'm in heaven.
It is amazing. So we're going to let this go. Some folks will say they can go as minimum of 30 minutes. You do not want to let it go longer than 4 hours, because then it starts to really break down the fish. I think 2 hours is perfect in the fridge.
It's already cooking.
Yeah. It's cooking.
It's amazing.
And we are too. Okay, so we're going to put this in the fridge, and then we'll be back in 2 hours to finish it off.
Yay!
Okay, this is a beach party. Ready to happen. Look at that. Now you can...
A beach fiesta.
Fiesta, exactly. So
you guys, this shrimp is cooked. Which is so weird to me.
It really it's an amazing thing. I always say and ceviche's been around for many generations, and who was smart enough to figure that out way back, way back. Pretty smart.
I love it.
Okay, so now I'm going to start. We've got some fresh vegetables that are going to just bring this all together. So I've got a cucumber here that I've partially peeled, took the seeds out. It's about a half a cup. I know.
Love the crunch of that.
Now this is some jalapeno pepper. You could use any kind of a pepper. I took the seeds out, so there's not a whole lot of spice. It's starting to turn red on me.
So that makes it hotter.
Not really. These are just some pitted green olives, about 1/3 cup of that. The flavor profile here is amazing. These are 2 tomatoes that I seeded and coarsely chopped. This is a 1/4 cup of onion.
And I love that bowl that you're using.
Isn't it festive? It's so festive. And then I've got, this is about
some cilantro.
A 1/4 cup of cilantro.
Which you can leave out if it tastes like soap.
Yeah, but it's so good. And then this is just to give it a nice glisten, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now I'm going to start mixing. Look at that already beautiful.
God. Can I throw in some avocado?
You can, yep, or you can throw in the shrimp.
Oh, yeah, let's do that.
That's kind of important.
Yeah.
Isn't that gorgeous? Besides the fact that it's so delicious, it is such a beautiful.
There it is.
Beautiful, festive. It's all about the shrimp. It's
such a gorgeous dish.
I know. And the cool thing about this is that like I said, you don't want to leave that shrimp or your fish in the lime juice for really more than 4 hours. But you can strain it, and then it'll stay fresh. Just keep it covered and serve it later on in the day or that evening. Okay, go ahead and toss the. That's just one avocado.
Get in there.
That we.
There we go.
You want to do this kind of like right at the end avocado, and but it's going to get the coating from the lime, so it keeps it from oxidizing and turn kind of brown. Okay, now we're going to add just a little bit of sweetness.
More citrus sweetness,
from fresh orange.
Oh, you guys, look at that.
Oh, and I'm going to add about a teaspoon of kosher salt.
Tapped it.
You what?
I just tapped it like it was getting it all out of there.
Like it was a bottle?
Yeah. Oh, you guys. How much lemon juice?
That's good. Orange.
Oh, that's what I mean.
About 2 to 3 tablespoons is what you want. Okay, and folks, we are ready to serve.
Look at these cute serving dishes that we got from Chris's mom, Maudale. Thank you, Maudale.
I know, and the plates too.
And the plates, everything is so cute.
Okay.
All right. You ready?
Oh, let's talk about our chips real quick.
Oh yeah.
We made so if you want to be really awesome, just get some thin corn tortillas. And they sell them at the store. We also have a link for them. And then just heat up a little vegetable oil, throw them in. They don't take long at all to fry, and they're so restaurant quality, or like something you get at a really. Oh, am I doing this over here?
Yeah, you can do that right there.
Oh, okay, thanks.
Yeah, go.
I also since you're pushing me along, show also that you can do them as tostadas.
Oh yes, look at these. I kind of dig the tostada. Although when I crunch into my tostada.
It shatters.
It does.
Yeah. It's a shattering experience.
You guys, look at that. Hold on though, I'm not done. I have to have little topper twisters here.
Oh, boy.
Look at that, you guys. There it is. There it is. Wait, hold on. And you put a little of these on the side. Right there.
Your guests are going to be so impressed.
You guys.
It's literally
so
like sitting at a swanky beach hotel on the some beautiful coastal Mexico City.
Right, Chris?
Oh yeah, give me my line.
Yes,
presentation is key here.
Make sure it's all clean around you.
Look at that.
Oh, come on, clean that up.
Okay, we're good. Let's eat. That's what's
gorgeous. All right, gorgeous. And last but not least, you need some hot sauce.
Get some good Mexican hot sauce.
Actually, this is how I like to eat mine. I'm gonna do this. I'm going in.
Okay.
Oh, got that. Oh, you guys.
So many wonderful flavors here.
I'm gonna put it on my chip, like that. And then I'm gonna take my hot sauce and do my own individual hot sauce.
I should have made bigger chips.
Look at that, guys.
Oh boy.
Tell me when.
I am so ready to do this.
You ready?
Yeah. If you can't get to Cancun or somewhere spectacular, make this and you'll be transported. That's amazing.
That's delicious. That is delicious.
If this is someone coming from someone who's
I'm gonna do my little lime in there. There we go.
Of shrimp. I think the idea of it sort of being initially raw scares people. You could poach the shrimp. That's, or the fish if you're going with that. It's still going to be delicious. But there's something about that process of it cooking in the lime. It keeps it really, really tender.
So
and it's
amazing.
not fishy tasting at all.
And that green olive in there. Yeah. I love that. That is.
Spit it out.
100,000% Loon approved.
Wow. Oh my gosh, it's so great. It's so wonderful to serve on a hot summer day.
Oh, yes.
Poolside.
Yes.
Make yourself a little margarita.
Yeah, make sure this is refrigerated though if you're outside.
Yeah, keep it refrigerated. That's best. You guys.
It's like leaving mayonnaise in the sun.
Or worse. All right, we hope we've inspired you to try some ceviche from scratch. It's so good. It's muy bien. Muy bueno.
Muy bueno.
Muy bueno. All right, bye everybody. We love you. Adios.